I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to cancel an Apple Fitness subscription on your Apple iPhone or iPad. Step 1. Open the Settings app on your iPhone or iPad and then tap your name and profile picture at the top of this menu. Step 2. Tap Subscriptions in this menu. You'll see a list of both active and inactive subscriptions associated with your Apple account. Step 3. Find Apple Fitness in your active subscriptions section and then tap Apple Fitness. The next screen gives you an overview of your Apple Fitness subscription. Step 4. Tap Cancel on this screen. The next screen asks you to confirm that you want to cancel your Apple Fitness subscription. Step 5. Tap Cancel Subscription. After a few seconds, you'll see a note that you've canceled your Apple Fitness subscription. You'll see what date you'll have access to the service through. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.